Greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video, we shall learn how to start and end a shift. So let's start. This is the Axanta POS screen. Let's say you have opened your store in the morning. Your cashier will come and will start the shift by clicking on this Start Shift button. Here you can see the option to enter the cash count directly, and you can enter a comment here as well for any reference. Now this comment will be recorded in this shift. If you click on this icon here, there is an option to add various note denominations also. Now let's say when you started the shift in the morning, the cashier had 100 KD in the drawer. So we'll select this note 10 denomination. I'll put 10 here. I'll click here and then I'll click on OK. Now the total amount is 100 KD. So I'll click on OK, and the system will ask that the cash-in amount is 100 KD. So we will click on yes, and now the shift has started. Now let's say that there is a customer named John. So we'll click on this icon. We'll select the customer. Now this customer has purchased 2 items. So we'll select any 2 items. Now he wants to make a cash payment of 10 KD. So we will click on cash and we will click on OK. Now this transaction is done. Let's say that the customer purchased another 2 items. So we'll select the customer again. Then we will add the items. Now in this case, the customer said that he will pay 5 KD in cash and 5 KD by card. So first we will click on cash. We will enter 5 here and we will click on OK. After that, we will click on cards. We will select Visa. By default, the system will show the balance amount and we will click on OK. So now this transaction is also done. Now in the afternoon, the cashier shift is coming to an end. So he will end the shift by clicking on this end shift button. Now here you will enter the counted cash you have in the drawer. This is the cash out amount. Now let's say when the cashier ends the shift, there is 150 KD of cash in the drawer. The cashier can enter the amount directly here, or they can select the note denominations as well. For now, we will put here 150 KD. Please note that here we can enter the amount for card payment as well, if the setup is enabled in the ERP. For now, we will keep it 0 only. There is an option to enter the comment here as well, and the same will be recorded in this shift. For now, we will click on OK. I'll click on yes. Now this shift has ended. Once you have ended the shift report will print automatically. We'll click on the shift history option to see the report of the shift. I'll select this particular shift and click on print. This is the complete shift history report, where you will find the start time, the end time, what are the sales, what was the cash in amount, what was the cash out, and so on. Now, if you see, the cash in amount that we had entered was 100 KD, and we made 2 transactions in which we paid 5 KD in card and 15 KD in cash. So it is mentioning 15 KD cash here. But when ending the shift, the cashier entered the cash out amount as 150 KD. So here the system is showing the cash excess of 35 KD. Below that, it is showing what was the expected card amount and what was the amount for the card we entered while closing the shift. It is also showing the difference between the two values. Below it, it is showing the total difference of cash and others. As we saw in this example, there is cash in excess. But similarly, if the cashier has entered a lesser cash out amount, there can be a cash shortage also. So this is how we can start a shift, end a shift, and see the shift history report. Thank you.